Hey everybody, this is Lowell with Refined Performance, and today, well, honestly, I've been pretty lazy, and I was going to tackle trying to plastic dip my wheels today, but laziness overtook me, and it's been a few days since I put out a video, so I figured I need to do something. So what I'm going to do is replace my emblems, replace the BMW roundels, and show you how it's done. Quick and easy. I wanted to get something out there because like I said, I've been lazy. But this weekend, a couple car shows. I'll take you around and let you check out what's going on here in Vegas this weekend with the car shows. All right. Anyway, let's get to this. Get the rest of this video and show you how to replace these BMW logos. Okay, here we are, ready. There's my logos, my replacement logos. Now on my car, the front and the rear are the same. The hood and the trunk lid logos are the same size. On some of the newer models, they're slightly different in size, so make sure you get the right ones. And also order these replacement grommets. So this is all you need to make it happen. Let's show you how it's done here. Now this is just an old debit card that's been expired for years and years, and this is used. This is slid under. See if I can do it with one hand. Actually, I can probably pull that right off. But you slide that under there, under the logo, and then you use a screwdriver. And there are two studs, one here and one here. So you use the card or piece of cardboard or whatever you have to pry against the car so that you don't mess up your paint. But obviously this one is going to come right off. There we go. See, there's one of the grommets and the other one is still in there. I can clean up behind there now and put in the new one. Okay, now I want to show you something I did. Here's my two sets of grommets. There's my old logo and my new logo. And you know, the quality of this logo, and probably this one as well, because I didn't spend a lot of money on these, is not as good as original, because when you see them sitting side by side, you can see the plastic is starting to yellow a little bit. So it's time to change these out anyway. And you know, I actually was thinking that I had all black logos, meaning this was black, everything was black, and I guess I don't have all black logos, but they'll do for now. I'm not too concerned about changing them later again if I decide I want to do that. Obviously there's no gray on the car. I was going to go with the all black with the chrome. You know, like I put the black grill on, and this piece, this side vent is actually black inside here and chrome out here. So my thought was that look would match. If I go with if I paint the wheels black and have the same logos on the wheels, replace the original blue and white, and you can see these are factory center caps, and the plastic on this is holding up a lot better. It's not looking yellow at all. So the blue and the white is still very bright. So yeah, once you change logos, unless you buy BMW OEM roundels, then you probably run into the issue of the plastic starting to yellow after a while, especially a place like here in Vegas where the sun is beating down all the time, even though I keep this car in the garage. So just a side note there. Anyway, what I wanted to show you on these grommets, these are the two grommets right here that I'm going to use. They're new, just like these, but if you can see it, I trimmed some of this top lip off so that top piece is thinner, so that the BMW emblem sits more flush on the car. With these, that extra space, the logo is raised off the car a little bit, and seeing how the studs are on the back, once it's on there, without shaving those down, well, even with shaving them down, it's going to wobble like this a little bit. Shaving them down takes some of that wobble out. So just something that I've discovered in replacing these, so thought I'd pass it on to you guys as well. All right, let's get these back in. Okay, this is a quick clip. This is another day in the middle of this video, but I realized somehow I lost this clip, the clip that I showed installing this logo that's on the front. You get after this clip, you'll see me installing the one on the back, but for some reason I lost the one installing the one on the front. So I wanted to show you this real quick because I did mention how the roundel has a little play. Even after I trimmed, you can see it has a little tiny bit of play. Even after I trimmed the tops of those grommets down, and I didn't want to trim them too far and cut them completely off because obviously then they'll fall in the hole, but it still has a little bit of play in there. So it's not really noticeable unless you actually physically walk up to it. It kind of bugs me to know that it does that. So on my previous one, I actually took some of those glue dots and stacked a couple of glue dots on the top and the bottom, so that it was flush against there. It filled in some of the space in between the roundel and the hood. So that's what I did on that one. This one I'm not going to do it. It was kind of effective, but I didn't like just knowing the fact that I had crap under there. So I'm probably going to leave this as it is until I get new ones. And we'll go on to the next clip. Okay, so I've trimmed. Let's get some better focus here. So I've trimmed these two down, and you have to be real careful because this is like a hard rubber type of material, very hard rubber. Almost feels like a soft plastic, but I think it feels more like a hard rubber. I don't know if you can see it very well. So you have to be careful going around and trimming that lip off of there, because if you're not careful, you can cut the whole thing off. All right, so we're going to put these in here, and they snap right in there. And you got the emblem right here. Put those in, and then we give it a nice push. There we go. Now the back one doesn't have the problem of feeling loose, especially when you trim those, trim the lip down a little bit. Let's see here. Yeah, I think I like that. I think I like the black and gray for now. I think I will go with the all black eventually. And then I'll take the M5, the chrome M5 off. I have a black M5 as well, M5 emblem. I might put that on there. I don't know. I might just take it off and leave it off and just leave do the all black logo. But I kind of like that black and gray better than the blue and dingy clear, the dingy yellow clear covered blue and gray. Because the blue and gray could look kind of old instead of just being visible that it's carbon fiber. It looks old, not on top of being a little bit yellow from the sun. But yeah, I think I like that. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think. Obviously that was real easy, quick and easy thing to do, but I hadn't finished my 8200 RPM red line run for you guys. I want to finish that up so I can get another video out to you. But in the meantime, like I said, let me know what you think of that. Really super easy job. I think I paid about 20-25 bucks for the set. Like I said, I'm gonna hold off on doing the center caps on the wheels, until I get off my lazy butt and paint those black. So once I do that, or when I do that, I'll do some videos to show you my progress, my slow progress, typically slow progress. So in the meantime, like I said, drop me a comment, let me know what you think of those. Do you think I should go with the all black logos? Do you think I should take those M colors off of the grill? Do you think I should hurry up and get off my butt and paint my rims black? I think that's what I need to do. Quit being lazy and paint the rims black. Let me know what you think. And as always, hit the like button and subscribe for more stuff to come. Just like I said, car show this weekend, and I'll make sure I get some good video for you there too. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.